We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make healthy French toast. First, add 1 cup of milk to your bowl. Make sure it's a shallow bowl so you can dip your bread. Then add 2 large eggs and vanilla. Now cinnamon, about a half teaspoon to a teaspoon, depending on how much you like, and a sweetener of choice. Here's sugar, or it could be syrup or honey, little sweetness. And the cinnamon may sit on the top. Now whisk that together. Make sure your skillet is warm and add a little bit of butter to your pan. Now dip your bread. We have sourdough bread here. You could also use a whole wheat, any bread of choice, and lay it down on your skillet and continue to dip the rest of the bread into the egg mixture. Let them cook 2 to 3 minutes on each side, nice and golden brown. Delicious. Remove them from your skillet and top them with a little more cinnamon or fruit and syrup and enjoy. Check out the recipe in the description below. Always cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.